So let's look at another example on finding the second derivative of a given function. So let's say we're given a function y is equals to x plus 1 over um, x minus 3 to the power 3. So here it's a choice that I have to make. I can use the quotient rule, I can use the product rule. If I want to use the quotient rule, I can use it the way it is. If I want to use the product rule, I have to write it in the form x plus 1, then I have x minus 3, the power negative 3 there. So I want to try to use the product rule here. So I'll let my u be what? X plus 1. Then my u prime is going to be equals to 1. Then my v will be equals to what? X minus 3 to the power negative 3. My v prime is going to be equals to minus 3, open bracket, x minus 3 to the power negative 4. So now, here for the product rule, your y prime is equals to your vu prime plus your uv prime, or your v du dx plus u dv dx. Okay, so our v is, we are going to multiply our v by our u prime, which is 1, meaning just to give us x minus 3 to the power negative 3 plus. Okay, then our u, we multiply our u by what? Our v prime. So that would be, in fact, we have a minus 3 there, so we just say minus 3, open bracket, x plus 1, which is our u, then x minus 3 to the power negative 4, which is our what? Our part of our v prime. Okay, so here we're going to have our x minus 3 to the power negative 3 minus, in fact, let me just express this as plus. I'll say minus 3x minus 3, then I'll have x minus 3 minus c to the power minus 4 there. Okay, so I can express this as 1 over x minus 3 to the power 3. Okay, then I'll say plus minus 3x minus 3 divide by, I'm going to divide by x minus 3 to the power 4, like that. Okay, so I have to express that as a single fraction. Okay, we express that as a single fraction there. So here the common denominator is x minus 3 to the power 4. That's a common denominator. So what we are saying is this: we are going to say this one divided by this one, you're going to remain with what? X minus 3. That's what you're going to have. Multiply by 1, that would be what? X minus 3, like that. Okay, then plus. Alright, we have plus there. Then we have open bracket minus 3x minus 3, of which this is just basically x minus 3 minus 3x minus 3 divided by our x minus 3 to the power 4. Alright, so what you're going to have as your y prime is, or the first derivative is minus 2x minus 6 divided by x minus 3 to the power what? To the power 4, which is what? Our first derivative there. So from the first derivative, we have now to find out the second derivative. So we're going to say our y prime is equals to minus 2x minus 6 divided by x minus 3 to the power 4. Alright, so now we use what we have to get what we want, which is our second derivative. So again, here is a choice. You can use the product rule, or you can use the quotient rule, but for me I would love to use the product rule. So I'll say minus 2x here minus 6, then I have x minus 3 to the power negative 4. So meaning my u is equals to minus 2x minus 6, meaning my u prime is equals to minus 2. Okay, then my v is equals to x minus 3 to the power negative 4. So my v prime is equals to minus 4 x minus 3 to the power negative 5, which is just a chain rule that we are using there. So to find our second derivative, we are going to say vu prime plus uv prime. So our v is our v is this one here multiplied by that. What you're going to get is minus 2 x minus 3 to the power negative 4 plus our u. Okay, our u is this one here. We multiply by what? Multiply by that. So what I'll do is that to make this a bit better, a bit simpler, I'll multiply this negative 4 by what? By what I have here, of which is going to be open bracket 8x plus what? Plus 24 plus 24 there. Then multiply by v prime, which is part of v prime, which is x minus 3 to the power negative 5. Okay, so here I can express this as in form of fractions. I'll have minus 2 over x minus 3 to the power 4. Then here I'll have plus 8x. Okay, 8x plus 24 divide by x minus 3 to the power 5. Okay, I have to find the common denominator, and my common denominator is basically x minus 3 to the power 5. Okay, so x minus 3 to the power 4 into x minus 3 to the power 5, you're going to remain with what? X minus 3, of which you're going to say minus 2 open bracket x minus 3, and you say plus. Then we're going to have it the way it is, this one here, 24. Alright, so expanding that, what I'm going to get is minus 2x plus 6 plus 8x plus 24 divide by x minus 3. Then we have a 5 there. So what I'm going to have is I have a 6x plus a 30. 6 plus 24 is 30 divided by x minus 3 to the power 5. Then we can, that's basically our second derivative, but we can try to put it in this way. Say 6 open bracket x plus 5 there is divided by x minus 3 to the power 5. This is our what? Our second derivative. And that's basically how you go about finding the first and the second derivative of this given rational function. Just a matter of taking it step by step, being patient. You are going to surely arrive at the answer that you are looking for. So either use the product rule or the chain rule, depending on the nature of the question. You're still going to find the same answer. Thank you very much for watching.